Mark is determined to get his obligatory photograph of a kakapo.
Aren't you the best?
Hello. You're going to look in the lens.
A typical male, Sirocco is clearly only interested in one thing.
Hello.
Oh, look at that.
Ow. God, he's got sharp claws.
He's getting a bit frisky.
Ow. Ow.
Do you think it is he's actually attempting a sort of mating ritual? He is. Oh, no. You are being shagged.
Or not. Ow. God, it's sharp.
Look, he's so happy.
Sorry, but it's one of the funniest things I've ever seen. You are being shagged by a rare parrot. He thinks you are.
Ow. And he's really going for it. Wow, you've chosen him? Is it actually, you were in pain, aren't you?
That's all right.
Oh, his neck is covered.
Am I? He's fine, but it's really
Okay,
sharp
did that
claws.
hurt?
Yeah, it did. Well,
I want you to call the
it's-
chick. When you have the chick, I want you to call it Stephen for me. Would you do that?
Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen the television first. You've seen Mark Carwardine, who has devoted his life to conserving animals, actually taking an active part in the conservation and breeding of a whole new generation, of a whole new species, Homo cacapens. He's going to give birth to a little kakapo. We're very proud of you.